Enwere m ajụjụ. Has anybody noticed that there is a pattern in Nigerian traffic? Like, I've been coming here for so many years, and it's only today I realized that we are going through a psychological process anytime we are faced with a hold-up. Step 1, consideration. Okay? You're driving somewhere peacefully and you see a hold-up in front of you. You're faced with two options. You turn around and follow the diversion, Appian way, or you enjoy it and go through and follow the line, knowing that you face the hold-up that you've seen from afar. If you go for the first option and turn around, you are most certainly going to meet another blockade, another hold-up, another trouble somewhere. And while facing that one, you'll be thinking it would have been better to follow the hold-up and just enjoy it. So this stage, we call it the doubting stage. You're wondering whether or not you took the right decision. Had it been you turn around, would you have reached your goal faster? Had it been you sticked in the line, will you have reached your goal faster? Nobody can ever tell you the solution, but it starts to bring frustration, especially if you follow the second choice and stayed in the line. The longer you wait there, the more convinced you get that it would have been better to turn around. But you are now packed in a hold-up where you cannot even turn around. Keke has entered, everybody has entered and blocked you. So many cars have spoiled on the line because they are not used to standing still. They need to move. Once they stand, their car is overheating, they spoil finish, they block the road again. And then there's another psychological turmoil, because once you pass the doubting stage, you come to the blaming stage. You'll be blaming everybody else for this hold-up. You first think it's maybe somebody's car that spoiled on the road that caused it, or is all this keke and bus maneuvering you, or even you might think it's police control ahead, these checkpoints that frustrate people, because it cannot be red light causing all of these things. And then you look to your left, you see how some people are using one way, the other road, to get to the same place, to the same crossing. And you'll be thinking it must be them, that they are dodging the hold-up, but in front they are blocking everything again. So this is the blaming stage. You'll be blaming everybody. The thing is, I bet you, if you have the opportunity to fly out of that hold-up and change to the one way yourself, you will do it. If you have that chance to leave your car and then take a get to dodge it, you will do it too. So don't blame nobody, but you can't help it. You'll be blaming everybody else. And then it's patience, you just surrender, you give up, you understand that there's no other way than to just sit it out and wait and hope that it will come to pass. So anytime the front car start to just move, you'll be rushing, as if you are on the highway, just to make up for all this time that you wasted. Realizing that under 2 seconds, you'll be standing again. That's the hustle, The surrender stage is just you have to give in. The next stage is survival of the fittest. Once the hold-up start to clear, everybody moves. And it doesn't make whether it's left or right or up or down. You are struggling with keke, with trailer, with whoever follows and whoever enter your road. You'll be blowing horn, even if you risk to scratch your car. This is survival of the fittest. Anybody who enter first will enter first. This stage, if you are lighthearted, you better close your eyes and your ears, because there's nothing you will not see in this stage of the hold-up. And the last stage is recovery. You have passed successfully all the stages of Nigerian hold-up. You are now free to move. But in order to digest the psychological stress, you have to repeat it. I made the right decision. I blame the others. I have scratched maybe 1 or 2 persons, but I'm still okay and I'll get to my place. You'll be blaming everybody for what you just faced and gone through. But still, tomorrow, you follow the same road because we don't have choice.